see here, there is the code, and this is the output for the student and teacher and staff. As you can see here, class person, first name, last name, age, department, return self name, last name, age, was all in this department. So sa student tayo, kay say tayo say. So student person, different, define in itself, ito self, ito sila, first name, last name, say, age, department, course name, label. Super init, if name, first name, last name, age, department, tapos yung course name equals to course name, yung IT. Tapos self label, levels, yung fourth year niya. So define, get person self, return super if, and this in self label year studying, self course name. Course name, so ito IT. Tapos self label, ito fourth year. So dito naman tayo Ma'am Mary Jane. Class of person, define in it, self, first name, last name, age, yung subject, super, tapos if name, age, department, then that subject was subject. So if return, get person, subject, teacher. Dito naman tayo sa staff, kay Miles Auditor. Define in itself, first name, last name, age, department, then rule. Super init, if name, last name, first, last name, age, department, tapos self rule equals rule. Same pa rin, tapos here we go. Yan, tapos sa student, equal to student, sa dumarasuman, ito yung first name, last name, age, ano to yan? Yan, tapos information sa age, tapos year label, course. Sa teacher naman tayo, Ma'am Mary Jane, Layasan, dito studies, sa staff, Miles Auditor, 50 ACC librarian, tapos pag i-print na student, get that person, so student, ito to student that get person is ito, kunin niya na to, ito sa return. So student, ipapasa nito sabay yun, sabay. Tapos ito din sa teacher, same pa rin, teacher that get person, ganon. Tapos sa staff, ito pa rin, tapos yun. So pag i-run natin ulit, run, bagang, ito, lumabas pa rin sila. So lumabas for the student, Mary Jane for the teacher, Miles Auditor for the librarian staff. Thank you, that's all.